Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is John from S-KLUB, and I'm going to walk you through this 612 Pista car that we are building for SEMA. This is the teardown part of how it all got started. My brother went and bought this really clean 14,000 mile 612, and our idea was to take this body, the 57 Testarossa pontoon fender car body that we got from our good friends at Valley Motorsports in Corona, that originally belonged to Paul Mitchell's family. So we've had this car sitting around for about 3 years, and we decided to put this on top of a 612 and build a crazy supercar out of it to debut at SEMA. So what you're seeing here is us tearing down the perfectly fine 612 that we bought and drove for 2 days and had a really good time in it, and it was really tough to do this. We didn't want to tear it down, but it was for the, you know, it had to be done. And here's some footage of us tearing it down for the first time. I couldn't really be there that day because I didn't want to watch this. It was too sad for me. It all ended up working out, and in the next episode or two, you guys will see the finished product, and you'll see, you guys tell us if you think it was worth it or not. When we took the car apart, we had Perry, Mo, Casey, and 3 or 4 other guys tearing the car down, and I told them to be very careful and take it apart just so we can put it back together if we had to and not scratch anything, and we're going to reuse a lot of these parts. So be very careful, and that's what they're doing here.